Hello everyone, I'm Farooq Shawabi, the co-founder and CEO of Formaloo, and I'm here to tell you about why we started Formaloo in the first place. We had one goal in mind. We wanted every business from the start, from a small to big, to have the same opportunities that big enterprises. Big enterprises have a lot of resources, they have a lot of money, they have a lot of expertise in different fields, and they can grow from their own potential. They can understand their own data. They can analyze their own data to drive up the gap between them and their competitors, especially when their competitors don't have this kind of resources. We wanted to level the field, level the competition, because every day big enterprises are getting much bigger and the competition is getting more fierce. There are four main things that small and new players cannot compete with big enterprises when it comes to data, because they can't get the full potential out of their own data and use it to grow their business. The first thing is that they lack a lot of resources. We don't have a lot of money, we don't have a lot of time, we don't have a lot of expertise to use and understand our own data. And it's very hard to understand the value of the data in the first place. The data that we have, how as small as it is and as big as it is, we can use it. And even if we do, a lot of businesses struggle to find best data scientists and best data analysts out there to help them to grow their business. And they end up with second-rated, third-rated data scientists that don't understand your business in the first place, and they cannot help you. And even if they did, they help you in a wrong way because they don't understand it, just like as you understand your business. The other problem is that every data the analytics software out there, everything is designed for big enterprises because they are their primary customers. So it's complicated, it's boring, and it's expensive. And honestly, they are designed for data scientists. It makes the life of data scientists much easier to use these softwares and to have their reports, but they don't help business owners, they don't help decision makers, they don't help CEOs, CMOs, that don't understand the behind the scene of data, and they want just the next actions, the results. We built Formal for this. We want every business in the world, everyone, no matter the size, to truly understand their own data, to truly be able to use their data to grow opportunities and find their potential. We want every business to use their own data to grow their revenues, to reduce churn in their business, to grow loyalty from their customers, to satisfy their customers better. And all of this is possible with Formaloo. With Formaloo, we can help on how your business can grow month over month when you use your own data, when you use the actions predicted by your own data. As you can see here, this is a chart from our customers in the past 6 months. It's an average growth of our customers in the past 6 months. Before they used anything, this is for the customers that didn't use anything before. This is for the customers that used something for customer success, used something for understanding their customers, but they were either very complicated, they didn't understand it, or they were not enough. And their users were leaving them as much as before. And you see there is a little bit of growth, but not a lot. And when they used Formaloo just in 6 months, what happens? With this 6 months, this will be your MRR, your new MRR on how you can use your revenues from your own data. It's true that more than 80% of your revenue will come from your repeat customers. And when you reduce churn and increase conversion rate at the same time, you improve your revenues. We have a saying that we say data becomes revenue with Formaloo. We want to grow month over month. We will not be satisfied with just 1 month. We want to grow the business every month based on the data that is providing. We want every customer to, every business, customers of our customers, to be happy with the business of their choice, to be more engaged, to drive up sales for them, to be more satisfied. And if they are not, we should understand why they are not satisfied. Why they are leaving us for another competitor? Why they are not renewing their contracts? Why they are not visiting our websites as often as before? A lot of businesses can use this. Every business can use this, but a lot of businesses especially can use Formaloo customer analytics and customer data platform to improve their business. The first group is e-commerces. E-commerces can use these to get people to order more frequently. They can use these to drive up their sales, to understand what people need, when they need it, and predict the future. So they can understand what is the benefit of my business for every customer. How can I, as a business, target every customer and answer their needs? The second group are startups. Startups are eager and are addicted to monthly active users. They are obsessed about it, and that's the right thing, as we are ourselves as a startup. And how we can improve our monthly active users is to become more engageable to our users, to be more satisfying, more engageable. So our users use us more and be happier with the results. Another form of customer success. So we created Formaloo gamification for this alone, to drive up monthly active users. And with that, we have a drive up monthly active users up to 700%. Ourselves are using it to drive up our own sales, and it is our biggest channel. The third group that can use Formaloo to improve their business are universities, schools, and even events. They can get to know their audience, get to know what they need, analyze their behaviors, patterns, what is the strong point of our organization and what is the weak points, what should we do to improve. And they can improve it to create better events, better experiences, better lessons, better anything, to get people to be more engaged and satisfied. The engagement and satisfaction became loyalty in the long term. This is the essence of Formaloo and what we can do, and you should do it today. Frankly, we are not using our own data. From 10,000 businesses that we work with in the past few years, only less than 1% of them are using their own data. So they're not growing. They're not growing as fast as possible. And even if they are growing, they are not growing as much as they can. There are missing opportunities. Missing opportunities is a big thing. It's a big deal on how we are working with every people. When you are missing opportunities, you won't get it back. It's like time. And you are missing the children of that opportunity in the future. So if we understand our own data, we are good to go. We are growing as fast as possible. The main challenge here is the four things that I mentioned. It's very expensive to do this. We need a lot of data scientists. We need a lot of big enterprise softwares, expensive ones to create reports and anything. And frankly, at the end of the day, we don't understand the report, we won't use it, or it just takes a lot of places and eat a lot of our money and our resources. We are not using it at the end. With Formaloo, what we did is that we did it for ourselves, so we can use it ourselves. And after we showcased it to our clients, they loved it and they're using it as well. We didn't have a lot of time, we didn't have a lot of resources, we are a small company yet, and we wanted something to not get a lot of things out of our plates, and we can understand it instantly. And so we built it. It's simple enough, so everyone they can use it from any decision maker. You don't have to understand data analytics or even used it before. You don't have to hire any data expert or data analyst, data scientist to create your reports, because there are no reports. There are just next actions, and you don't need to spend a lot of money on this. And because it's automatic, everything is automatic. It gives you your data and your next actions. What should you do at the next step? So you don't do anything. We don't do anything. It just runs itself. It's automatic, fully, and best of all, it requires no code. You don't have to have developers to use it as well. So we have businesses, solo entrepreneur businesses using us, two big enterprises, 10,000 plus employees using us, because it's for everyone and they can do it yourself. You can do it yourself anytime you want. You can connect it, disconnect it, and customize it, anything, as much as you want to use it to grow your revenues, grow your business, grow your customer success, customer experience, and anything you want. The main things that Formaloo can do for you is to reduce your churn, improve your monthly recurring revenue, grow it by 2 times, 3 times in a very short time, reduce your churns by up to 83%, and increase your conversion rate. So your visitors become your customers and your customers become your loyal customers. So you can use it today, and it's free to start. It's free for use it anytime, free forever. We only charge bigger businesses, not small businesses at all. So it's free forever. You can use it. We want any business in the world to have the same opportunities to grow. And you can join by time of this video. We have more than 17,000 businesses using us monthly. So we would be very happy to see you as one of our clients, because your growth is our growth. And we want to see you use Formaloo to grow your business as much as you can. And in the same time, we grow with you, because you are successful, we are successful. I hope that this video was useful to you, and I hope to see you in Formaloo and see your business thrive and be more successful day after day. Have a great day, everybody. Goodbye.